comes in 2 different pieces, so if for whatever reason you need to remove it, get something out of the way, you have tight spaces, whatever, you can take it apart and put it up as you like. So here I'm going to put it in for you. You can see, really quick and easy installation. You have an adjustable flag here, so if it needs to come up or come down or just keep it nice and vertical with the floor, then you're going to be able to do that. Also comes with a hook on the bottom. This is good for backpacks or suits, anything that you want to keep with your helmets. Typically you put all your riding gear together. So once you have that, you can put a helmet on and you'll see it fits no matter what kind of helmet you're using. If it's an off-road helmet, that's going to work. If you've got a street bike helmet, that will work too. So really versatile little piece of hardware for the inside of your garage, and that's about it.